guys, what's going on? It's Mr. DS18. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we got the Pro TWX3 4-inch Super Tweeter. Gonna open it up, show you guys some specs, then we're gonna put a song so you guys can hear it. This thing is amazing. DS18 manuals included. TWX3, check it out. 4-inch Super Tweeter. It has a 1.5-inch aluminum voice coil. Frequency response is from 3K all the way to 20K. It has AES Power Handling from 125 watts. It has program power 250 watts and peak power is 500 watts. It has 106 dBs. Check that out, 106. It comes with this bass blocker that DS18 recommends, a 4.7 at 250 volts. Black, full black aluminum body, or what you call it, the whole frame is black aluminum. Real nice. The connectors are tucked in, so when you're gonna put them in, you're not gonna blow them, you're not gonna break them. Nice DS18 sticker on the back. Pro TWX3 4-inch Super Bullet Tweeter with a 1.5-inch aluminum voice coil, 500 watts peak power handling. 4-ohm version. Check this out. Real sleek, very beautiful. Nice bullet. Real nice. Now, what everybody loves, the testing part. Let's connect this bad boy. I have a nice song picked out for you guys. Let me fire it your way. Give it some volume. Obviously, the frequency with the video does no justice at all, but there you have it. The Pro TWX3. You guys know what to do. Drop a like, drop a comment. I'm Mr. DS18. We like it loud.